What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anthony. Yo. So it's been a few months, man. It's been a few months, but as you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, the M5 is now gone. Unfortunately, M5 was totaled. It's gone. I don't really know what to say, to be honest. Kind of sad, really sad. But what can you do? You know, the M5's gone. There's nothing I can do anymore. It was totaled, unfortunately. I'll go ahead and put some pictures of it. Yeah, guys. Sad moment. I'm just playing, guys. We still have the M5. Unfortunately, I was in an accident, though, on the 2nd of July. I'm not gonna say too much information about it, but it wasn't that big of a hit. You guys can see the M5 right here. Kind of sucks seeing it like this, to be honest. It was like in perfect condition and stuff, but damn. So yeah, finally bring it to a shop. Want to get it fixed professionally, obviously, get everything right. And we brought it to ABS Auto Body, which was recommended by a few people, and Manny from the Wrap Vault, which will be also fixing the wrap once the body part is complete. So yeah, let's get it started, guys. I gotta drive it in right now. It's like an hour drive from my house, so I needed a ride home after. So yeah, she came with me. Yeah, that car looks nice over there, and the E92. Sheesh. All right, let me take the car real quick. Here it is, guys. I'm inside the shop now, ABS Auto Body. But yeah, we're gonna get it fixed. Hopefully soon. I've already been without the car. Well, I've had it. I just didn't want to drive it like this. I haven't driven the car in like 2.5, 3 weeks until today to drive it here. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed out. I haven't been able to drive the car and stuff, but it is what it is, you know. So yeah, damn, dude, this thing looks so good. Oh man, what do you guys think? Should we take off the Naruto wrap already, go back to the original paint color, or should we keep the Naruto longer? What do you guys think? What should we do? Oh my god, dude, this thing looks so good right here. Hurts to see it like this. It's gonna get fixed though. You guys can see it's not that bad. It wasn't that bad of a hit. Could have been a lot worse in the situation that I was in, but it is what it is. This car needs a good detail once it's fixed, dude, because this thing looks abandoned. All right, guys, the car is dropped off. You guys can see right there. Oh, hopefully we hear back soon. Yeah, hopefully it gets fixed quick. We'll see though. What's up, guys? It's a few days later now. I didn't really have a proper outro for the video, so yeah, pretty much, guys, you guys saw what happened. I didn't total the car. I didn't get rid of the car, nothing. I haven't posted just because I've been so busy working, guys. I got a new job, and yeah, I've just been so busy working, and I'm just trying to enjoy my days off. But I'm trying to get back into the YouTube, so expect some new videos soon. Hopefully, you know, hopefully I'll make some videos. But yeah, if you guys do want to stay up to date with the car's progress, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, guys. I'll be posting on there. If you guys want to follow the shop, ABS Auto Body on Instagram, I'll go ahead and leave their link in the description below if you guys want to follow them as well. I'm pretty sure they'll be posting updates here and there as well. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Thanks to everybody who's still watching even after this very, very, very long break. And thanks to everybody who's been hitting me up on Instagram, telling me to make videos again and asking me when I'm gonna come back to YouTube, and if everything is cool, if I'm good, how I'm doing, all that. Appreciate you guys. Really does mean a lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the little video, or maybe you didn't enjoy it because it's not what you guys wanted to see. I'm pretty sure nobody wanted to see the M5 like that, especially me. But yeah, anyways, I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys once again. See you guys.